In the vast expanse of our world, palm trees stand tall as symbols of tranquility, resilience, and life itself. They are not just a sight to behold, but serve as the lifeline for many economies, providing sustenance and livelihoods to millions. Yet, these majestic beings are under siege, plagued by a multitude of diseases that threaten their very existence. We have entered a revolutionary solution that marries technology with nature, a drone-based system designed to detect and treat palm tree diseases. This advanced technology is more than just a flying machine. It's an intelligent guardian, equipped with a convolutional neural network model, a form of artificial intelligence that enables the drone to identify and diagnose diseases with accuracy that rivals human experts. But the magic doesn't stop there. This system boasts real-time processing capabilities, meaning it can analyze data on the fly, making split-second decisions that could mean the difference between a thriving palm grove and a withered one. It's like having a team of plant pathologists patrolling your fields 24/7, but without the associated labor costs and logistical challenges. This drone-based system doesn't just promise efficiency and precision, it delivers it. At around 5,000 Qatari riyals, it's an investment that pays for itself in no time. Don't just take our word for it. Agricultural experts worldwide are singing its praises, hailing it as a game-changer in the fight against palm tree diseases. Envision a world where palm trees sway gracefully in the wind, free from afflictions. Economies continue to prosper from the yield of these trees, with nature and technology converging harmoniously. And in this world, drones can be manually controlled via remote or can soar autonomously on a preset mission. This advanced system is capable of accurately detecting two specific diseases, white scale and brown spot, ensuring our palm trees remain unmarred by disease. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a tangible reality within our grasp. So, view this system not as an expense, but as an investment in the future of sustainable agriculture, in the health of our palm trees, and in the prosperity of our world. Because when we invest in the health of our environment, we invest in ourselves. Make the choice today, for the palm trees, for the world, and for the future generations who deserve to inherit a healthier, greener planet.